Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's me, Ella.
Me, Sally. Can't see me that well.
So today we got these slime packages.
Yeah, I got this one which is badly
Packaged.
Yeah, packaged. It's like an Easter egg box. Wait, you can see that's an Easter egg box.
Don't look at the bottom because it's just Okay. Okay. You can read yours first.
Okay, mine says to Miss Karch, thank you for purchasing these slimes. And here are some extras for you as well. Enjoy. From I don't know how you pronounce that. How do you pronounce that?
From Zias_slimes.
Oh god, that's weird.
Zias_slime.
I don't know how. Sorry if you're watching this, person who sent this, and
we can't really pronounce your name, sorry. Okay. To Miss Fisher, thank you for purchasing this slime package.
Yeah, I think that's this package.
Enjoy from slime_glit. Okay.
Why did that say paying at delivery?
Paying at delivery? I'm so confused. Okay, whatever. Let's upside down.
That's the address, by the way, guys. That's why we're not showing you it. Look at this sellotape, though. Okay, let's open it.
Yeah, that's
the address.
Enjoy.
It says enjoy and her address. Well, her address, yeah. Okay, let me get the first thing out.
I've got to rip mine.
Yeah, I've already ripped mine earlier, so we'll just have a little peek here.
Oh my god, look how fancy this is, though.
So cute.
It's so cute. Okay. I don't know what I'm going to pull out first.
I've got something in my hand.
Okay.
Look at it.
No, don't. I'm picking out extras first.
Oh yeah, I'm going to pick out extras. Try to get my extra.
I can't even open mine.
Are the extras all in different... Do you think the extras are on the different bags? I can't tell.
I don't know. Guys, you don't know how hard this is.
Okay, I think I've got the extra.
Let's have a look at your extra. Yeah. It says, I think it says extras.
Yeah, it says extras.
Okay, so. Oh. Okay.
So the first
extra I got is this little penguin squishy.
I've got this little some emoji squishy. It's kind of weird.
And look at the side. Ew.
Okay. The next bit is kind of a little bit weird. Sorry.
Ow! Oh, what the hell is this? Okay.
Little bag of extras.
I think it is.
Oh, it's kind of weird, guys. My second extra, which is actually the last extra, these little mints. I think they are. One more.
Sure, let's try
3,
them.
2, 1. Nice. It's a chocolate tea for some reason.
It does. It's a bit minty.
Very minty.
Okay. So she only got 3 extras. Oh, it went on my nose.
Stop the video for a second.
So we're back.
I'm really sorry about that, but that was so minty I had to go get a drink.
Okay, so next I've got this little. It looks like a goat.
It looks like a dog.
It looks like a goat dog.
It's a dog.
Okay.
Me a sheepdog.
What the hell is this?
It's your little brother. Little car.
Okay. A pony? What a pony? Oh, a highlighter. Looks like it's been a bit chewed. Can you see it long?
Yeah.
Can't smell it because it's too minty.
Let me smell.
I can't.
Let me smell.
You can't smell it because you mint.
Oh yeah. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to go on to my next thing.
I don't know, I've got to pack all these away.
I'm keeping mine out. Okay.
Show them.
Guys, I've got this slime and it looks so nice.
Okay.
It says Raspberry Creamy Delight slime. Yeah.
Okay. This says Small Heart Slime. I'm gonna rip flag, I think.
Okay. So guys, this is what it looks like.
Oh my god, I like this little container. Oh my god. Oh,
I think it has little stars on it.
yeah, it does.
Cute.
So guys, this is called Halloween candy. What's yours called?
Mine's called Raspberry Creamy Delight. Let me check. Raspberry Creamy Delight.
Mine's Halloween candy. Wait. Oh my god, this feels so nice.
Let me try.
Whoa. It's
Not that stretchy.
no, but I have some like
Show them.
guys. It's not that stretchy.
Kind of bad.
Right, go to the. Hold on, be right back. So we're back, and and I have this slime. It's sticky slime.
You're very sticky. She made it and it melted.
Yeah. Oh, for God's sake!
Can you get that? Oh, it's gross.
Don't touch it! Don't touch it!
She's adding it into a slime to see if it make it like stretchier.
Yeah, it will. Oh, my hands.
After she's mixed it in, we'll be right back, guys. After she's mixed it in, we'll see you. Bye. Sorry about that, guys.
This is as much as we can get it.
So we're gonna move on to the next last thing.
I think it's our last thing. We don't know. But thanks, slime underscore glitz. As long as you remember.
Green seed slime, warning, sticky. It says warning, sticky, and green seed. Oh, guys, literally, you can see what happens.
Guys, it's overleaked.
Oh, open it with these.
It's broke.
Is it? Oh, God. Oh, these feel good still. Open it.
Wait.
Oh, God.
Just be right back.
Yeah, sorry about this. So, guys, I think she got scammed. Look at her slime. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. Whoa, that's melted.
It did say warning sticky.
Did it? Oh, yeah. Oh, guys, look at my finger. Sorry, guys, be right back. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
So, guys,
we definitely got
we
scammed.
got scammed. Yeah, apart from a few extras. These two are both really hard.
This one's
yeah,
horrible.
Hers has also got really hard.
Ow.
So
See you bed.
we're really mad about that, but
Yeah. Sorry, this was a crap video.
rubbish.
Crap video.
Rubbish. I'm not allowed C or 8p on my video.
Oh. Sorry about that.
Look. Wait, did this not come in a bag?
No.
Okay.
So do I think it is.
Well, I think that we're going to play with our slimes and just see how they go. Maybe they'll get a bit better. But thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry that it was a rubbish video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below what other videos you'd like us to do. By the way, this is not a skip. Honestly, this is not a skip. I have no ingredient to make any slime, like none, because I don't live in Australia. That's why that turned out awful. But please like this video and subscribe because we're really upset. Bye guys.
Bye.